It's been more than 2 years since tragedy inside Gaylord of the Rockies Resort in Aurora. 6 people were hurt when thousands of pounds of HVAC equipment came crashing down in the indoor water park. This was May 2023. Now, as we said earlier in this broadcast, Denver 7 Investigates found an investigation into how this happened has still not taken place. Here we are 26 months later. All right, joining us now, Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski. Nice work on this, Tony. Still so many questions. First, just the basics. Who has jurisdiction when something like this goes awry at Gaylord?
Well, Shannon, it's a great question, and it is still the unanswered question, generally speaking, because what you heard in our report and what we've learned is there is no investigative jurisdiction because it's private property. And Gaylord has told the attorneys and others that we've talked to that they've not invited anybody on to do this third-party investigation. So it's kind of interesting because if there's a car crash in Aurora on a street, it would get investigated. If something like this happens where you've got 2 seriously injured and others injured, no third-party investigation. That's why that's why the AC expert said, why not? Because
the presumption then here is there's no criminality, because certainly no matter where a crime happens, doesn't matter public, private, or whatnot, that's going to get done.
That's a fair point, but still for public safety, and that's what we heard in our report at 6 o'clock, people want to know. These kinds of structures are over many pools. Yeah. It's heavy. It had a lot of water inside of it. And I mean, take a look at it right behind you. Yeah. If something like that came crashing down on you, would you not want to know why? Right. And more importantly, if it could happen at other locations, shouldn't they be warned?
So I thought this was interesting. You brought up the fact that pretty soon, I think after the first year, they reached out to the mayor of Aurora, they reached out to the Attorney General of Colorado, and crickets.
Well, the AC expert that we talked to in our report, specifically, it was just days after the incident actually, he said, hey, somebody should dive into this. Somebody should look closer. We need to know, was it structural? Was it the way it was installed? What happened here? And here we are more than 2 years later, we still don't have that answer. And truth be told, we're not sure we're going to get that answer until maybe it goes to a civil court trial, because the attorneys that we reached out to told us they didn't want to give us any info on that side. If they have investigated, they're not sharing it publicly. And we're asking the question with this investigation, Shannon, doesn't the public have a right to know?
Absolutely.
And quick.
And I know you'll keep asking. All right,
we
Chief
will.
Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski.